Hi there and welcome back to the Easy Sculpting channel. Today we have a really easy project, a ladybug. Everyone can do a ladybug. I use Cernite, it's a polymer clay. It's the same as Fimo. Just look at my video. Let's start with the body. Make a round ball. Squeeze it a little bit. That's it. Use the black to make a round ball. Roll it a little bit to get the head and place it on the side of the red. You can roll it a little bit so it sticks better. And that's all for the body. Now roll the black and make it thin. Use your fingers. You need to cut some dots and 2 eyes for the ladybug. Stick them gently to the ladybug. You can choose how many dots you want. Push gently, otherwise you might lose the shape. This is a perfect gift for Mother's Day or Father's Day. And actually so easy that even kids can make it. Use the white to make the eyes. Cut 2 pieces for the eyes. Make them round. And place them on the black. Now we only need 2 small dots for the eyes. Place them in the middle of the white. If you want to make a keychain, remember to make the hole before you put it into the oven. You can also glue it onto a piece of wood or a stone. It's all up to you. Now, this ladybug is done. Good luck with your own ladybugs and hope to see you again.